Well, hey, I'm Jordan. I work at Celina Tent. Today we're going to be talking about ducting. Let's go. This is our ducting machine. It uses hot air to bind the material together. You can also put wire stripping over it to make sure that none of the ducting can lay flat, so it has that nice round shape. You can also customize the diameter and the pitch of the material. We also offer insulation with our ducting for heating and cooling purposes. Thank you for visiting. Have a great day.